Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Are you all giving proper time to your studies? I would suggest you to utilize this time because you'll never get this time again wherein you can give time to your studies, your play, and everything. So, students, today we are going to revise lesson number 3 of your English 2 book, A Strange Land. So, students, in this poem, we have learned about a place where everything was topsy turvy, where everything was upside down. Topsy turvy means upside down. Understood? So, in this poem, everything was topsy turvy. People used to walk on their heads, buses used to run on the sea water, and the boats on the road, right? So, I have already explained you this poem in our previous classes. So, students, this is an imaginary poem. Nothing is real in it. Everything is just imaginable. So, students, there are some words given in this poem. These are the dictation words. Number 1, pleasure. Number 2, grand. So, students, you have to write these words: pleasure, and number 2 is grand. So, students, write it with the meaning, and you don't have to make any mistake while writing it. So practice writing these two words again and again so that you don't make any mistake when you write these words. You have to learn the meanings as well. Understood? Now next is make sentence using the following words. So with these following words which are given here, with these words you have to make sentences on your own. Make some new sentences. Don't copy it from your book. So number 1 is topsy turvy, and number 2 is planned. Number 3, veer. Number 4, grand. Number 5, pleasure. So students, topsy turvy, the meaning of topsy turvy is upside down. Number 2 is planned. Planned is to do something after planning, after proper planning. Number 3, veer. Veer is to put up. Number 4, grand. Grand means great. Number 5, pleasure. Pleasure is something enjoyable, means which makes you happy. Now exercise C is write one thing that you would like to make topsy-turvy on earth and why you want it to be like that. So students, this is the creative part of this poem. You have to do it with creativity. The exercise C, the question number C which I have given you. Write one thing that you would like to make topsy-turvy on earth and why you want it to be like that. So it should be purely based on your imagination. You should not copy it from somewhere. You should not take the ideas from the poem. You have to think it and then you have to write it. It should be your own ideas and your own thoughts. That if there is any one thing on earth which you would like to make topsy-turvy, which you like to turn upside down, what would that thing be and why you want it to be topsy-turvy? So this is the question. So you have to think about it and then write. I hope you will write it well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.